Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Tutorial Tuesday. Today, I'll be showing you how to fill out the maintenance problems and location spreadsheet when your property migrates into Entrata. On my screen I have the problems and location spreadsheet open, and this will have to be filled out when your property migrates into Entrata or anytime you need to make bulk changes to the problems and locations that you want maintenance tickets to be able to be open for. So there are 3 steps to filling out the spreadsheet properly. The first step is identifying the locations and the problems at your site that maintenance tickets should be opened for. The second step is determining whether residents should be able to open tickets for those locations and problems on their own, or if only the site staff should be able to open tickets. And the third step is determining what options should be available in terms of clean, replace, or repair, and if there's a dollar amount associated with those repairs or cleanings. So, like I said, the first step will be determining the unit locations and potential issues at your site. So for example, if your site has maybe an arcade at the site, you can go ahead and simply either replace any of these if you don't have one of them at your site, or you can include a new column and just add it. So I'll go ahead and insert, and like I said, maybe we have an arcade here. So I'll leave that there. And then maybe in my unit locations, maybe I have, maybe every unit has a den, so I could add that as well. And we'll leave everything else the same. So, like I said, we need to determine if these tickets should be able to be opened by residents or by site staff only. And if they should be able to be opened by a resident, we're going to go ahead and put a yes in the cell. If they should only be able to be opened by site staff, we'll go ahead and put no. So for example, if I want my residents to be able to open tickets for refrigerators in the kitchen of their unit, I would go ahead and put yes. If I also have a refrigerator, let's say in the leasing office, in that case, maybe I don't want residents to be able to open for that location, I only want site staff, I would go ahead and put no. And even though there's a no in this cell, it doesn't mean that it's not a problem location at my site. The no simply means that only site staff could open the ticket, but residents cannot. And if the cell is blank, it means it's not a problem in location at your site. So in this case, I'm saying there's no dishwasher in the kitchen or in the bedroom or anywhere here. And it won't be loaded into the system. If I do have a dishwasher in the kitchen, again, I can go ahead and put yes here. Maybe there's a garbage disposal, yes here. Maybe I have a garbage disposal in the pool house, but again, I only want site staff to be able to open that ticket, so I'll put no. And again, what the no means is that in the resident portal, when the resident goes to open a ticket, they won't see these options. They'll only see the ones that have a yes. The third and final step is to determine whether or not those problems should have a clean, repair, or replace option associated to them. So for example, the dishwasher, maybe I want tickets to be able to have a result of clean, maybe no repair, and maybe for replace, I'm going to charge $250. For refrigerator, maybe I don't even want clean to be an option. I just want repair and replace to be an option, but no cost associated with either one of them. So that's how I would do this section here. So again, to fill out the spreadsheet, step 1 is to identify all locations and problems, which is what I did here. These are all of my unit locations, my property locations, and the potential problems associated with each. Then I need to put a yes if I want residents to be able to open a ticket for that item in the resident portal, or no if I only want site staff to be able to open that ticket. And then step 3 is to determine whether or not there should be options to clean, repair, replace, and whether or not there's a fee associated with any one of those items. And that wraps up this week's video. I hope that brings some clarity to filling out the maintenance problems and location spreadsheet, and I'll see you all next week with another episode of Tech Tutorial Tuesday.